Okay. A very pleasant morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the Institute TANIUM Education for providing me this wonderful opportunity. I am Smriti. I am from the city of Rani Lakshmibai and also called the Taj Nagari, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my graduation, my post-graduation and bachelor degree in education from Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. Recently, I am pursuing PhD from DABB, Indore. When it comes to my family, we are four in my family. My father-in-law, he is a businessman. My mother-in-law, she is a housewife. And my husband, he is a businessman too. My strengths are my punctuality, my versatility, my creativity, and my determined to my work. I am a good learner too. My short-term goal is to improve my communication skill, and my long-term goal is to become a good assistant professor. Hey friends, now I'm gonna speak about my life. I was born in 1989 at Tikamgarh. When I was born, I was very thin and lean with golden curly hairs. People or everyone used to shower love on me. I used to play hide and seek, hopscotch, snake, Chinese checkers, snakes and ladders, and so many games. When I was 4 years old, then my father got admitted me in a private school, and in that school I studied up to class 5th. After that I changed my school, and from class 6 to 8th I studied in another school where I participated in cultural programs. I used to eat plums in that school, and after that I got 60% marks in class 10th and 63% in class 12th. After 12th, I crossed the examination of entrance exam of Polytechnic, and then I got 2 years diploma in modern office management and secretarial practice. In Polytechnic, I participated in sports and games, and I won several prizes in sports and games at zonal level. I topped zonal level and academics too. After that, I completed my graduation, my post-graduation and my bachelor degree. Then I realized that my communication skill is not so good, or it is weak. So I joined TANIUM Education, and I feel it is very good for all the students. The way of teaching of Mukesh Janwa sir is quite impressive. It is proved very fruitful for me. I feel not only in my communication skill I feel improvement not only in my communication skill but my confidence but my confidence levels too. Thank you sir for providing me this wonderful opportunity. My hobbies are playing badminton, dancing, and reading novels, especially on feminism. Once again, thank you everyone for listening me.